Hi, this is the Eco Lodge porch, a nice place to contemplate things. And what follows in this video is just a few clips of the management of our low nutrient status grassland. When we first came here in the 80s, this was all cabbages, worn out agricultural land that had been made to pay for years and years and years. Anyway, now it's woods and meadows, and as I said, it's low nutrient status, but we've still got to manage the meadows, or else they'd slowly over time become woodlands. And it is the edges of one habitat to the next, i.e. grassland to woodlands, that is the most diverse and rich as far as species and habitats concerned. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. And here on the lodge, it's haymaking time. So we planted this bit of a shelter belt probably 10 years ago. I can still feel a breeze coming through it, but it's made a significant difference. Anyway, coming around here, as you can see, it's haymaking time, and they started baling. It's absolutely beautiful weather for it. This was only cut 4 days ago. And you can probably hear in the background the tractor and the thump 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 of a square baler. I can't face that way though because the sun's that way. And I'll just have to wait for them to come this way. So here's a poplar. There's a number along here. It's 12 foot high. That was taken from a cut-in about 5 years ago. Very crispy, just right.